You are most welcome for this session. Today we are going to look at different fluids and their uses. So we are starting with the normal saline. All the two, they are normal saline. It is a volume expander. We can use it to correct hypotension. And also we can also use normal saline for diluting drugs. Then we have half strength Darius. This one is used for making neonatal cocktail, and also we can use it for rehydrating those children with the severe dehydration, especially the malnourished children. Then we have Ringer's lactase. This one is used for electrical imbalance, and also we can use it to rehydrate the patient with severe dehydration. And we can also use for making modified Ringer's lactase. We have dextrose 5% used for correcting hypoglycemia as a maintenance dose. We can also use it for making dextrose 10%, and also we can use it to dilute drug like quinine, and also for administering quinine. Then we have dextrose 10% is used for correcting hypoglycemia in children. And lastly, we have dextrose 50%. This one we can use for correcting hypoglycemia in adults. We can use for making modified Ringer's lactase for children. We can also use for making dextrose 10% still to correct hypoglycemia in children. Thank you for listening.